This is a quick tips, making drawing into tool palette. I have drawn the palm symbol and I want to add to the tool palette. First step, Command W block. Click select object, select this palm symbol, click pick point, click this point, click file name and path, save in equipment folder, make the name palm, click save and click OK. And now delete this equipment tool palette. Command DC at center. Right click equipment, click create tool palette of block. Click and drag this tool palette. See, now you have a new equipment tool palette. Now you can save time without having to draw a palm symbol again. That is a quick tips. See ya!